channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Is this thing on? What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tavius, man, and I'm back with another video. Yes, I know I have not been posting in like some months.
Stop the cap!
Bro, I don't know what I've been doing, bro. I have not been consistent. But as y'all can see by the title, man, it's 4th of July, man, and it's gonna be tough. You feel me? But look though, right now, man, you feel me? God damn! I don't even know what this adventure is about. I don't even know what this video is gonna be about. Nigga, what am I talking about? It's 4th of July.
Oh my god, what is that?
But anyways, y'all, I don't know what today I'm gonna get into, man. Y'all just stay tuned, but I had to start the intro somewhere, somehow, you feel me? So, just watch the video, like, subscribe, you feel me? Nah, but before we get into the video, man, if this video gets 1,000 views and 100 likes by 2 days, bro, I'm gonna drop another video. Yes, I'm gonna drop another video. But we have to reach the like goal. We have to reach the views goal. If we don't reach it, y'all, I'm not posting. It's like I might. But anyways, before we get into the video, man, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share this video. Comment down below some video ideas, because I don't know what I'm gonna be doing. Might just be picking up the camera whenever I'm bored. I don't know. But yeah, stay tuned and catch y'all guys on the flip side. Alright, y'all. We just touched down at the Speedway, man. As y'all can see, we in that supercharged Audi, motherfucker. Anyways, man, y'all see, man, we pumping 93. We pumping 93. Wait, what you gotta say, man? This big bro shit. What y'all gotta say? What y'all gotta say? Look, bro. What you gotta say? What you gotta say?
Man, this supercharged.
But y'all, ain't gonna lie, we might touch back down in my dad junk, cause low key, he talking about he got some flowers, so we finna see what that's talking about. Low key though, and y'all know we got the peanut butter good. Hey, we ain't gonna talk about that. We ain't gonna talk about that. But no, low key though, y'all, it's hot. It's hot as hell outside. I ain't gonna lie. It's hot as a muff. And low key, if it stay like this, twin. What you gotta say, man? What you gotta say?
Who has a scat pack?
Okay.
Race us.
Oh, we calling out. Scat Pack, what we calling out? Scat Pack, Camaro, Mustangs, what?
And look.
Hellcats?
Hellcat.
No, I'm just playing. But y'all ain't gonna lie, we finna get like a little inside view. Alright, y'all, we in the car, man. So I can see big bro. Okay. Hey, this junk got some kick to it, y'all ain't gonna lie. It got some horsepower. It ain't got a whine like the Hellcat, so y'all know. But what we talking about, Clay? What we talking about? So, overall, how you feel about your car?
Fun.
It's fun, low key. Okay. As y'all can see, we go what? Okay. But nah, y'all, we finna cruise for a little minute. We finna find like a little low key spot, y'all. I'm gonna get y'all a little inside POV and a little, you know what I'm saying, little clips on what this car talking about, low key. Cause I ain't gonna lie, this more like that. But yeah, we just riding around. You ready, fool? Yeah, okay. But yeah, y'all stay tuned. I'll pick up the camera once we get to the spot. Y'all, we low-key downtown, man. The police is hot. It is 4th of July, so like, yeah, so you feel me? We might just be cruising. I just might be, yeah. So y'all can stay tuned. But as I can see, it's a nice little scenery. Flag in front of us, low-key. Ain't gonna lie, y'all, it's hot. It's a mud. Like, oh my god, I cannot believe it. Oh, we got another little cave. Touchdown at my dad's crib. Ain't gonna lie, I don't even know how I got here. I just teleport. But as y'all can see right here, though. Oh yeah. We got some stuff, y'all. As y'all can see. Oh yeah, we ready. Hey, low key though, he said he was gonna get some more. But ain't gonna lie, we got a lot. But we got a lot more we gonna get. But not gonna lie, y'all. low-key, tonight's gonna be crazy. I ain't gonna show y'all too much of the room, you know what I'm saying? Cause hey, I don't stay here no more. You feel me? But like low-key, y'all, tonight's gonna be turned. But y'all just stay tuned, stay tuned. I'm gonna give y'all some more POV on the car and just stay tuned. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Y'all see what I got? Oh, don't mind the music, y'all. Don't mind the music. I got another one. Oh, jump. Boy, ain't no way. This bad boy next. Oh, jump. Ready? We finna go light one. Come on. Look, hold this. Hold it. You gotta walk with me. Put it in this. There you go. You wanna light it? Let's light it together. Run, 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 run. Alright, we got some more, y'all. Let's see what these talking about. Oh. I'm gonna put one in there. Put this one in my pocket. Like this one. Hey, grab this. Another one. I got another one. Alright, I'm gonna do 2 off. Light it, nigga. This time I'm gonna try to do it a little bit better. I kind of did mess up, but we're gonna try to like tie it up or something.
This is so dangerous.
Alright, so like, it's maybe some way.
I'm not trying to say home.
You think this gonna work? Try it.
That would not work.
Oh yeah, got the big boys out. Let me get these out the way. Oh, that's a slow nozzle. There you go. gonna get to the like this one, alright? You can't be scared, okay? Alright, hold on, let's get the popcorn. Alright, you ready? I'm gonna put it in there. Grab my hand. Oh, you gotta grab my hand, we're gonna light it together. Oh my god. Let me know when you're ready. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Wait, hold on, wait. Nah, hell no, I don't got it. Let me know when you're ready. Ready? Waiting on you. Yeah.